Hey, good morning from day 4. Slept pretty good last night in the tent. I'm heading down to the camp store now. Quite a ways to walk, unfortunately, here at Loft Mountain Campground. But I'm seeing if I can get some laundry done and maybe take a shower. And I think I would be a lot happier with clean clothes and clean body. It's been hot and sweaty. So that's the plan. Had my morning coffee. Visited by a deer, came right up to my tent area. It was kind of cool. So yeah, we're taking the long. It's almost 2 miles. No, it's not that long. I don't know. It's a long walk. We'll see. It's 0.3 miles. Approaching the camp store. I think somebody's gonna miss these. All right, we're in the camp laundromat. It is only 6:30 and the store doesn't open until 9, so I have 2.5 hours. I thought I could come here and at least charge my electronics, but also I assume they'd have a little coin dispenser for soap that I could get going, but they don't. So apparently that must be in the camp store, which means I can't wash until unless I just wash with water. I guess that's a possibility. Or, one pro tip, there's always this. It may not be the perfect soap, but it'll do. And I don't have any soap or shampoo, so we'll just have to make do. All right, so I'm sitting in here just waiting for my laundry to get done. I recommend this campground for thru hikers. It's $30 a night. She put me on a trail or a tent site right next to the trail. Not that it matters since I walked back here to the camp store, but yeah. So you got all the laundry machines. Looks like it takes about 30 minutes for a load to be done. And then of course I got to dry it. I don't know how long it's going to take. $1 per load, 4 quarters. And then the dryer is 25 cents each shot. I don't know how many dries it's going to take. The shower is $5. So they have a coin changer. I don't have the exact one, so I just put a $10 bill in there. So I had a lot of extra quarters. I'm going to leave them in the hiker box and hopefully somebody can use them. I don't want to carry them. Yeah, so taking the shower, you know, I didn't plan on a shower like this, so I had no soap. I had no towel to scrub with. I had no towel to dry with. So I used my Swedish cloth, which I use for dishes or whatever, you know, or mopping up condensation on the inside of the tent. That's the point of it. But it worked great. And I just soaked it with soap and I used that on my hair, which is, you know, fine, I guess. We'll see. And then, yeah, scrubbed with it. Rinsed it off pretty good. Then I mainly drip dried. If they had had paper towels, I would have used that, but they didn't. They had the air ones. And other than maybe trying to lift up and get my nether regions up over the air stream, it didn't seem like that would be very useful. So I drip dried, which is fine. And yeah, so now I'm back in the laundry area, still charging electronics and waiting for my laundry to be done. So I was gonna originally wait for the camp store to open and then go in and get a couple things I could use, like a toothbrush, which I left at home. But I don't think I want to wait around that long. We're going to be done, you know, pretty quickly. I don't want to wait an hour and a half just to buy a toothbrush. I will get one in a couple days when I'm at Walmart. So yeah, but again, it's been a good experience. I didn't plan on doing a shower and a wash, but man, I'm glad I did. It's getting pretty rank. I was surprised. So yeah, happy to be clean. Happy to get clean clothes again. All right. Yay. All right, this has been home since last night. Comes with a bear box, fire thingy, which of course I didn't use. And you're kind of far away from everybody. You're way down off the road up there. But that right there is the Appalachian Trail access. The Appalachian Trail is just about 50 yards down the road. So, yeah, there's my mess. Slept good in that last night. Was a little warm, then got cool, so that was nice. And yeah, nice picnic bench to spread your stuff out. So according to my app, this is called Mile a Minute Weed. It reminds me of the kudzu. And it's just overtaking everything. It's crazy. So, the experiment of using hand soap for washing your hair, I don't know, it's not great. Anyways, we had a plan, our spreadsheet. We deviated from the plan yesterday to hike a lot of extra miles in order to get that burger and beer at the Wayside Cafe. But that puts us now kind of off kilter in terms of today's hike. And if I'm going to go to the original spot, it's only 7.5 miles. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in only doing that few miles. I mean, if I had left at my normal time, like at 7 in the morning, I'd be there before 10 or 11. But kind of beat from yesterday. And could just count today as a Nero. So, you know, having done my laundry and taken a shower and all that, it'll be kind of nice just to hang out. Hopefully I have a self-service pretty much throughout Loft Mountain Camp area. There's zero cell service, zero Wi-Fi, so yeah, I haven't been able to check in with folks back home or anything. Yep, that's where's that? So it's going to be a short day today. All right, who did we run into?
Hi there, guys. Mosey here, Ridgerunner 1 in Shenendoah National Park with the PATC. So.
Yeah, for those following along, Mosey and I have crossed paths just amazingly number of times. It's almost weird.
I think this is 4.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, and she's finished her hike, so it was kind of like, well, I shouldn't run into her again, but here we are.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So a quick backstory. Mosey is from the same area of the world that I am. So before we even both begin our AT hikes, I think I met her because we were on Tara Trek's Introduction to Hikers video for 2024 hikers. Not sure. I think so, though. Anyways, but we were both from the same area, and we'd discussed a little bit about the common hikes that we were doing, the training hikes around Lookout Mountain and Cloudland Park in North Georgia. And yeah, so cool. But going forward on 2024's hike, we kept running into her. Like 3 times we run into her, which is unusual because she ended up doing like a major flip. And of course, we were doing our own kind of a flip, but they were very different flips. She ended up going up to Katahdin and then hiking south. And then we crossed again in the Whites. We crossed paths with her again. So yeah, so anyways, that was 2024. So then here I am walking through the Shenendoahs, and who do I see? Mosey. That's pretty awesome. So yeah, she's been a ridge runner for a while. Really likes the job, I guess. And yeah, she does ask that all hikers hike out your trash. Blackrock hut, home for the night. Bear box is a ways back there, not too bad. I think the water stream, not sure how you get to it. There's a sign over there. And as I would expect, I'm alone, especially at this time. Yeah. Shenendoah huts all look the same.
Hey, that's the end of day 4. Well, it's been the end. And I got here to this shelter at 1 p.m. Felt kind of like, yeah, this is too early, but felt pretty tired. So made dinner, and I was asleep by 3 o'clock. So now it's 6. Kind of feel like, man, maybe I should have walked more, but oh well. Did about 7 miles. They're pretty easy miles. Not even 1,000 feet of hiking, of elevation climb. So yeah, we hit one brief rain, lasted about 10 minutes. Just enough to make you put on all your rain gear, and then it stopped, and it's been sunny ever since. Blue skies. What's your trail name?
Pocketwatch.
Pocketwatch. Why are you called Pocketwatch?
Because I carry a pocket watch.
Awesome.
It's buried somewhere in my pack.
You got a lot of stuff in your pack, dude.
I do have a lot of stuff.
What's your weight on that? You know?
Don't know. I've never weighed it. I refuse to.
All right, I get it. I get
Ignorance
it.
is bliss.
That's respect.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
And what's your trail name?
I'm Pizza Knees.
I'm sorry, what?
Pizza Knees.
Pizza Knees.
I ran down Blood Mountain to get to Neil's Gap on time to
Oh.
get pizza, and then I wrecked my knees.
Yeah,
for
this is not a good. Yeah, okay, I get it. I
Yeah.
get it. All
Yep.
right, cool.
Yep.
All right, and lastly,
I'm Caveman,
Caveman. Why did you get called that?
because I was in a cave.
There you go. Awesome.
Simple enough.
Mhm.